It's my little brother Hunter here. We are going to be doing a taste test challenge. I will be doing the whole video. So, let's get started. Go get my first thing. Okay, so I had it in my shirt because last round it didn't work very good. So this is what I got. I don't think she'll really guess it. Yeah. So here we go. This is super funny. No, do it flat. No, it's not there yet. Oh, it feels so weird. Okay, do not spill it. Okay, look. No smelling. Ew. Bacon rub. Hey, you. Ow! She's looking! No, I'm not. I can't see anything. What number am I holding up? 8? Lying. You are looking. I'm not. She's cheating. Yeah, that's nasty. Hey, it went on my shirt. That's nasty. No! He's pulling it all over. It's nasty. It's okay. Dump it. Okay, get my third. Okay, let's get the next thing. Okay, I don't think we're gonna have some time left. Hope you like this video, and if I find something else, hopefully I have time. So, this is back down. Hey! Stop. I will tell Mom. Put it on. Good girl. Okay, so I know something that she might like. And she will definitely notice this.